You're pretty much restricted to one size battery here, so I'll show you which one works with a full step-by-step battery replacement, including the tools you need and what to do after installation. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. The positive is also easy to loosen, just look for the clamp nut under this cover here. Now for the bracket, you'll need to loosen these two nuts just enough to unhook the J bolts at the bottom. The standard battery doesn't have a handle, but you can remove the insulating jacket if you'd like to get a grip on the battery. As for the new battery, you'll notice it almost looks identical in shape, so I'll share some info on this battery a bit later. For now, start by installing the bracket first, before making the electrical connections. The positive terminal goes on first, but make sure to push the terminal down as far as possible on the battery post for a good connection. A flat screwdriver helps to open the clamp while pushing it down. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so help us get these numbers up. Then lastly, connect the negative using the same principle. The battery casing needs to match these dimensions to fit the insulating jacket as well as the bracket. It also works better when the battery posts sit higher than the casing, especially for the positive cable. You'll definitely need an enhanced flooded battery as a minimum in the 60 to 70 amp hour range. If you have this size available in AGM, even better. You shouldn't have any warnings on startup, and a radio code isn't necessary.
Yeah, perfect.
But you might have to set the one-touch windows. Press and hold the button all the way down and hold it down for about 3 seconds after it's fully open. Then do the same for closing and repeat for each one-touch window. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.